Your office stapler fails you, but did you know it's not the stapler's fault? Staplers are an essential tool for office work, but they can be frustrating when they jam or run out of staples. Imagine having to spend hours trying to fix a simple stapler, only to have it break again the next day. The average office worker uses a stapler 50 times a day, which adds up to over 15,000 uses per year. But have you ever wondered what causes your stapler to jam or stop working? It's not just the quality of the stapler that matters, but also the way you use it and maintain it. In fact, a well-maintained stapler can last up to 5 years or more, depending on usage. But before we dive into the world of stapler maintenance, let's talk about what makes a stapler fail in the first place. The most common reason for stapler failure is a clogged staple channel, which can be caused by using low-quality staples or not cleaning the stapler regularly. But that's not the only reason why your stapler might be failing you. Another common issue is a bent or damaged staple, which can cause the stapler to jam or stop working. To prevent this, make sure to use high-quality staples and avoid bending or damaging them. But even with proper maintenance, staplers can still fail due to wear and tear. The staple drive, which is the metal rod that pushes the staples into the paper, can wear out over time. When this happens, the stapler may start to jam or stop working altogether. But don't worry, we have a simple solution to fix this problem. By cleaning and lubricating the staple drive, you can extend the life of your stapler and prevent it from failing. But that's not all. We also have a trick to help you prevent staple jams in the first place. By using a staple remover to remove the staples from the stapler, you can prevent them from getting stuck in the first place. This simple trick can save you hours of frustration and help you get back to work faster. But before we move on to the solution, let's talk about why stapler maintenance is so important. By keeping your stapler well maintained, you can extend its lifespan and prevent it from failing. In fact, a well-maintained stapler can last up to 5 years or more, depending on usage. But what happens when your stapler does fail? Don't worry, we have a simple solution to fix this problem. By cleaning and lubricating the staple drive, you can extend the life of your stapler and prevent it from failing. And if all else fails, you can always replace your stapler with a new one. But before you do, make sure to clean and lubricate the staple drive to extend its lifespan. By following these simple tips, you can keep your stapler in top condition and prevent it from failing. So the next time your stapler fails you, don't worry, just remember these simple tips to fix the problem. And if you're feeling adventurous, try using a staple remover to remove the staples from the stapler.
This simple trick can save you hours of frustration and help you get back to work faster.
But frustration and help you get. Remember, prevention is the best medicine, so make sure to clean and lubricate your stapler regularly to prevent it from failing. By following these simple tips, you can keep your stapler in top condition and prevent it from failing. So, what are you waiting for? Start stapler maintenance today and extend the life of your trusty stapler. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY repair tips and tricks. Like and comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more videos like this. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more DIY repair tips and tricks.